how to hide WhatsApp channel suggestions. So if you want to hide WhatsApp channel suggestions, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application, go with the updates or status option, and here you will have all of your channels, right? So if you want to hide a WhatsApp channel, then what you need to do is tap and hold on to that channel for a few seconds, and then you will find an option of unfollow. So if you want to limit the suggestions, you just need to simply tap on unfollow. Or in Android devices, you may also have eye-shaped icon, which will be in the top right, so that you will be able to hide your channels. But if we talk about the channel suggestions, then you won't be able to hide your WhatsApp channel suggestions. You can only unfollow the channels that you followed before. Or you can just simply go with the arrow-shaped icon, the upper arrow, tap on it, and as you can see, that it has been hidden. But if you tap on that again, then it will again show the suggestions. So this is the only way to hide your WhatsApp channel suggestions. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.